Hey ho, what's up yo? Welcome back to P2PI, Path to Passive Income. This is your one and only Shaw. Today I'm very happy and very excited because these bad boys came in. This is what we do. We're gonna also create a shipment plan so they know where it's going to, which warehouse, so which country basically you want to base in, and yeah. Then we're gonna list it in our inventory so people know we have it in stock. And yeah. Alright, so this is where you go to. You're gonna go to your Amazon Seller Central account. This is your your home page, and this is the interface. Remember when we set up our store last time? So this is what you see when you log in. So this is what I do. I'll be in the German Amazon, but it's gonna be in English. So I'm gonna be sending my product to the German Amazon warehouse. So now what we do is we're gonna list our product in our inventory, and before we do that, I think we get the labels to print out to put on each unit. So this is where we go. We go here to catalog, then add products, and this what shows up. It's asking for the product name and or whatever, the ASIN number. This is where we get the ASIN number. This is so you go to here. I've already opened this one, and yeah, since I got this product in the UK, I need to get the ASIN number of the UK version. So this is where we go to. You go down here. There you go. This is the ASIN number. Just copy it and paste it into here. There you go. Hit search. There you go. This is where it is. List your product. List your first product. Okay. Alright, that's it. So yours. This is where we go to. Okay. My price in euros, since we're selling it in Germany. You can see here what the lowest price is for new and used. Okay, so since we're going to be offering Prime, we're going to be selling it for, I've thought about $29.99 and no delivery costs. So should be cheaper than the lowest bid here. The quantity of your units, we have 21. The condition, very important, it's new. Okay, and save and finish. Okay, your updates have been submitted. Okay, so when you add the inventory in your store, you get to this page. It tells you that you have €4.50 fees per unit, and you are the lowest offering seller for this product. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go to convert to fulfilled by Amazon. Okay, you hit. All right, so you get to this page. You decline it because we're gonna do it ourselves. Okay, use, and then you go here. Use FBA item labels. And you go review selections. Yes, this is what we do. We're gonna do this. Okay, confirm selections. Okay, convert and send inventory. This is what we do. Okay. This is where we have to add dangerous goods information. No battery involved here, and no dangerous goods. Submit, save and continue. Okay, so this is when you get to this page. It's asking for your address where you're sending your product from. So you just type it in real quick, and after you type it in, you click on ship from this address, and then you get to the next page. All right, so okay, so when you type in your address, you're going to get to this page where you can create your shipping plan. So the marketplace destination is the UK. The item package is case packed items, so you have a box full of identical items, and then you create continue to shipping plan. All right, this is where we go to units per case. We have 21 units. How many cases? Just one. Okay. All right. this is where I want to proceed with shipping these units, and I understand that storage fees are higher between October and December. Okay, continue. Who prepares? Seller prepares. So we're going to put the labels on. Then we're going to continue. Print labels for this page. Okay. So this is what the labels we got. 2470 by 36 millimeters. Okay. Then we print it. This is how it looks like. So while it's printing, we get back to this page here. And we just select continue. And yeah, we just click on this one. When you get to this page here, then click on work on shipment. Yes, it looks like this is where we select the delivery service. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna select Amazon Partner Carrier UPS. Small parcel delivery. Yeah, it's just a small individual box. Okay. How will the shipment? Everything in one box. Okay. Everything in one box. Box weight. This is where you could go back to the page, and you can use the actual FBA calculator. It tells you right here how much each product weighs. You can look at it real quick here. Product weight 40 grams. What? Okay. I would assume 100 grams, so we just say 2.1 kilograms. The box dimensions. The box dimensions are 37.5 by 30 by 13.5. Okay, so we have an exact size here for the box, so you know it's ours. Okay, all right. Calculate the estimated delivery cost. So yeah, since we're in Germany, this is yeah, 10 pounds, which will be like 12, 13 euros. Okay, so we agree to the conditions and we accept the charges. Okay. And print box labels. Okay, I'm gonna print this real quick. Okay, wait a second. This is where it is. This is the box label. This is where we are shipping it to, and we just complete the shipment. I think that's it. Yeah. Congratulations, guys. Okay, so this is how the labels are going to look like when you print them out on these label stickers. So you're just going to grab one of your games and going to peel it off and put it on the barcode on the back. Here's the barcode. You just got to put it on there, and you got to do this for each unit that you have. There you go. You do it like, I don't know, I've got to do it 21 times. You put it in there, and that's it. You're done. And then you put your label, your shipping label that you should print it out, put it on the box, and you're done. That's it. That's all we got to do. Okay, so in the next video, I will talk about Keepa.com and their graphs a lot more in detail, because it's very important for you to recognize a good product, because their graphs will indicate how good a product is selling or not. And this is very important for us to know when we're buying products to be selling on Amazon. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And before you go, please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, do it now. Do it. Do it right now. Please, do it right now. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay. And when we see each other next time, we're going to be doing some homework. Like I said, I hope you're excited as much as I am. And until then, stay lucky, stay woke, and stay blessed.